Hello soulmates, I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make this stylish Bustier flare dress. If you're new here, you're really welcome. Please make sure you subscribe, like, comment and also share. And to my return subscribers, thank you guys for your support. I appreciate your efforts. So without wasting much time, let's dive right into the pattern drafting. So I'm going to have to chalk down my vertical measurement. Here is my bust line, my under bust line, my waistline, my hip line, and then the full length. Okay, so first of all, I'll go ahead and chalk down half of my shoulder measurement. My shoulder is 16 inches divided by 2. I have 8. I'll chalk it down. From that point, I'll come down by 1 inches for my shoulder slope, and from the 1 inches, I'll come down by 8 inches for my armhole. Next, I'll connect from my shoulder slope down to my armhole. So next, I'll go ahead and measure from my shoulder down to my armhole point. I have 9. I'll mark it out on this side. Then after that, I'll connect a straight line. And this line over here is my chest line, okay? My chest line. So next, I'll go ahead and chalk down half of my nipple to nipple measurement. My nipple to nipple is 8 inches divided by 2. I have 4. So I'll chalk it down from my chest line all the way to my full length. Then after that, I'll go ahead and connect them this way on a straight line. And this is what I have. So next, on the both side of my under bust, I'll come out on both sides by 1 inches. If you're very busty, go ahead and use 1.5 inches, okay? So after that, I'll connect a straight line. So these lines are meant to be extended to the full length, okay? Make sure you extend this line, that's the 3 lines to your full length. I'll do that later. So after that, I'll go ahead and connect from my bust to my under bust this way using my curve ruler. And this is what I have, okay? So next, I'll go ahead and get the midpoint of my armhole, which is 4. From the midpoint, I'll come in by 0.5. Then I'll go ahead and connect it this way to the upper part. Next, I'll divide my bust circumference by 4. Then I'll chalk it down. And I'll use my curve ruler to connect it this way. And this is what I have. So next, from the chest line, I'll be coming up by 1.5 inches. This is my over bust, okay? My over bust, you can go ahead and use 2 inches if you want to. So next, on my over bust line, I'll go ahead and chalk down half of my nipple to nipple measurement, which is 4. And I'll connect it down to my chest line this way. So next, I'll go ahead and come out on both sides by 0.75. If you're very busty, go ahead and use 1 inches, and I'll connect it down to my bust line this way. Connect the both side. And this is what I have, okay? So next thing is for me to insert my body measurement. My bust divided by 4. I will chalk it down. The measure at what I have here. There's my dart, and I will place it back. I will put the same measurement on my bust line. On the bust divided by 4, I will chalk it down. Plus my 2 inches dart, I will place it back. My waist divided by 4, I will chalk it down. Plus my 2 inches dart, I will place it back. My hip divided by 4, I will chalk it down. Plus these 2 inches dart, I will place it back. So whatever I have on my hip line, I will chalk it down on the full length. Then after that, I'll go ahead and connect them this way. Connect it all the way to your full length. So now I'll go ahead and extend these lines. Okay, make sure these lines are extended to the full length. I'll chalk down half of my nipple to nipple measurement. Then I'll extend the lines all the way to my full length. Okay. My dart intake of 1 inches on both sides. Then I'll extend the lines. And this is what I have. Okay. So next, for my side darts, from the bust line, I'll come down by 1 inches. For your side darts, there's a difference between your shoulder to waist of your back and that of your front. Then I'll connect it to my bust point. My shoulder to waist of my front is 18, while that of my back is 17 inches. Okay, so the difference is 1 inches. So next I'll be adding like 5 or 6 inches extension to this side, okay, to give it that flare effect at the down part. Then after that I'll connect it all the way to my waistline this way. Okay, you can add 5 or 6 inches extension to that down part. So next, to give it that curvy effect at the down part, I'll come up by 2 inches by the side this way, and I'll connect it down to the full length. And this is what we have, okay? So this is all for the front pattern drafting. The next thing is to cut it out, okay? So let's do that, guys. Just watch what I am doing. So at this point, if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe, like, comment, and also share, okay? So open up your side dart and blend it back. Then continue your cutting. And this is what we have for the front part. So make sure you add 0.5 seam allowance in between and also by the side. So cut out this particular side on fold, okay? So let's go over to the back part. So for the back, I'm gonna have to chalk down my vertical measurement, and here is my zip allowance, okay? I have my bust, my waist, my hip line, and then the full length. My shoulder to waist of my back is 17 inches, okay? That of my front is 18 inches. So now I'll go ahead and chalk down half of my shoulder measurement, and from that point I'll come down by 1 inches for my shoulder slope, and from the 1 inches I'll come down by 8 inches for my armhole. So next I'll connect from my shoulder slope down to my armhole. So next, measure out what you have from your shoulder down to your armhole point, then chalk it down on this side. Then after that you connect a straight line. This line will be my chest line, okay? So next I'll go ahead and chalk down half of my nipple to nipple measurement, which is 4 inches. I'll chalk it down from the chest line all the way to my full length. Then next, on the both side of my waistline, I'll come out on both sides by 0.5. Then I'll go ahead and connect it this way to my bust line, to the bust point. Then from the waist, I'll come down. Then from the waist, I'll come down by 7 inches, okay? Then I'll connect it down this way. And this is what I have, okay? So next, I'll go ahead and insert my body measurement. That is bust divided by 4. I'll chalk it down. Waist divided by 4. I'll chalk it down. Plus this 1 inches that I'll replace it back. Hip divided by 4. I'll chalk it down. Whatever I have on my hip, I'll take it down to the full length. Next, I'll connect them together this way. Connect it all the way to your full length, and this is what I have, okay? So next, from the side, I will extend it by 5 inches, and I will connect it to my waistline this way. Same thing I did on the front pattern, and this is what I have, okay? Then come up by 2 inches to give it that curvy effect at the down part. Then connect it down this way to your full length, and this is what I have, okay? So now I'll go ahead and extend my waistline all the way to my zipper allowance. Then I'll go ahead and take out my zipper bulge. I'll come in by 0.75 and I'll connect it to the upper part this way. Then take it down this way. This is my back dent, okay? So this part is going out. Extend my chest line to that point, and this is what I have. So this is all for the back pattern drafting. So the next thing is to cut it out, okay? So let's do that, guys. Take out this part, it's not needed. Cut out your dart. And this is what we have for the back pattern. So make sure you add 0.5 in between and round, okay? So after you're done sewing, next thing is to fix your strap around your neckline. And that is all for this class. Thank you all for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and also drop a comment on this video. And see you all in my next class. So bye.